This video is going to walk you through how to export a comment library and import it into a different assessment. So if you've gone through and graded and you'd like to take the comments that you've created from one assessment to another, you can export the comment library. So I'm just clicking into an assessment I've already graded, select Manage Comment Library, select Export Library, and that's going to generate a CSV file that you can then import into a different assessment. So you can see here that has downloaded. I'm now going to come across from quiz 2 and I'm going to import that file into quiz 4. Select Manage Comment Library and Import Library from a CSV file. So I'm going to upload the file that we downloaded from the other assessment, but you can also generate a CSV file from scratch. And if you do so, there's a little help document here that walks you through how to create that CSV file. You will need to have a spreadsheet with columns called question label, comment, points, and shared. And if you wish to share those comments with the rest of your grading team, that column named shared should be set to true. So you'll see here that we found 9 comments and you'll click yes to import in those 9 comments to this new assessment. Select done. And then when you come in to start grading, what you'll see on the left-hand side are all of the comments that have imported into this assessment.